Tragic shooting death of a 14-year-old girl killed by a stray LAPD bullet inside a dressing room at a local store. Tonight, LAPD Chief Michael Moore speaking out about what went wrong. Eyewitness News reporter Christian Cordero talked to the chief tonight and has late-breaking new information. Christian.
Mark, the crime tape is still up here in North Hollywood. It has been all day today. We spoke with the LAPD chief who described what happened as unimaginable for the family whose daughter was killed by an LAPD bullet. He's promising tonight a thorough and transparent investigation. Tonight, a family that started its day shopping finds itself mourning and stuck in an investigation it neither expected nor deserved. The LAPD got calls earlier today about a man assaulting a woman and possible shots fired at the North Hollywood Burlington coat factory.
And as they're moving through the store and up the escalator, they come upon a victim who is down, a female who has been assaulted and has injuries and is bleeding.
Chief Michael Moore told us one officer fired 3 shots. One of those shots hit and killed the suspect.
One of the rounds apparently struck a wall behind the suspect, and behind that wall was a fitting room. And inside there, tragically, was this 14-year-old girl and her mother.
The 14-year-old girl died in that dressing room. We're not yet sure who she was. The woman who the man had assaulted, we're told, was taken to the hospital with injuries to her head, face, and arms. Investigators have recovered some kind of metal object they believe the suspect used to hit the woman, but so far, no gun.
Does this fit the protocol of sorts of an appropriate time to shoot, despite there not being necessarily a gun?
This is way too soon. I'm not going to speculate or make any type of judgment as to the officer's actions.
He expects the investigation to take at least weeks.
This is also being overseen by the Office of Inspector General. This is the independent office that works directly for the Board of Police Commissioners, my boss, to ensure that the investigation is fair, is thorough, is transparent.
Surveillance and body cameras plus interviews with officers and witnesses will help officials figure out exactly what happened and how. The family of the girl who died, her mother, who was next to her in her final moments, is left with why.
This is a tragic outcome and one that we all are deeply moved in. And we, just on behalf of the men and women of this department, we offer our deepest condolences to this family.
The officer is on paid administrative leave, which we understand is standard given what happened.
Hello, I'm Mark Brown. Get more great ABC7 content by clicking.
Rest in peace to that 14-year-old girl. Very sad. Killed by the damn police. Can't even celebrate Christmas, man. Damn, that's fucked up. Y'all make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe to the Money Alert channel. And we out, man. Love y'all loved ones, man. We out.